Alright, so I'm probably going to start the video here. We're just going to take a little drive around here. This is a really neat part of town. It's an interesting neighborhood. But see, it's designed like, have you ever seen that movie, what's it called? It's that movie with Jim Carrey in it. I know I'm going to totally remember this when I get home. Seaside, or that's the name of the town where they are. But yeah, this town is sort of modeled after that. It's a city within a city. They've got restaurants, apartments up there. Yep. But anyways, I think we are going to turn here. Let's see. Totally get lost in here, which is very easy to do. Alright, so let's turn. There we go. Ah, a golf cart. Look how beautiful these houses are, though. This is what I want to do one day. I want to live in one of these. Alright, so on our way out, we're going to take some curvy roads. Speed limit's really slow, though, so it's not going to be too exciting. We are following the golf carts. Alright. Yeah, I said it wasn't going to rain earlier, but it looks like it's going to storm pretty soon. In fact, I just felt a raindrop. Up here there's a stop sign, and I have learned from friends' experiences that there's normally always a cop car watching this stop sign, normally down there somewhere. So make sure to always stop. But yeah, the speed limit on this road, it's such a nice road, it's 30 miles per hour. Which kind of bothers me. Better safe than sorry. So yeah, I'm being kind of quiet right now. Still getting used to this whole thing. I don't know why I'm doing two today. Maybe one of them won't turn out, so then I've got a backup one to go to. But yeah. Or maybe I might even edit them together. I figured out last night that there is actually a way. I know I'd said that there's no way to blend them together, like with another one. But you can cut within a video and start a new one, and so yeah, just save it as another file. Excuse me, I think I just burped. Maybe that was the first ever vlog burp. Although it wasn't very loud. I tried to muffle it. Yep, see up ahead there's some pretty dark clouds. Over there it's nice and sunny, but really big white clouds. When those two meet, probably not going to be a good combination. My dad, he was a weatherman, or I guess is. You never really lose the weatherman status. But yeah. So you'd think I'd know all about this. I might know a little bit more than a lot of people, but I know practically nothing when it comes to anything useful. And around the roundabout. I love roundabouts. They're so fun, because I don't actually have to slow down that much. Here is the Publix that I was at not too long ago. Yep. Publix, they give me money and food, so I like them. And down there is Subway where I had lunch. Over here, these tennis courts, they're pretty nice. They built them last year. Although no one ever uses them, at least whenever I drive by. It's always like 1 or 2 people at the most. Alright, no one is coming around the roundabout. Let's go. On a scooter, roundabouts are fun. Because you can run that thing wide open and it doesn't matter. So anyways, I think I'm probably going to end the video here. Comments, questions, suggestions, ideas, whatever you name it, help videos, whatever. Just shoot me a message, a video response, comment to the page. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, have a good day.